I'm driving me daily, 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 today. Driving me daily, 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 today. Driving me daily, 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 today. Okie dokie, driving Miss Daisy daily, baby. Don't you think I broke down this morning, baby? Maybe you need to find out before you start charging me up. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, party picada. Party picada. Carne asada. Nah, carne picata. Look at that, boy. Shoot, fat size, boy. Got that wide body. Driving Miss Daisy daily, baby. Broke down in the morning, maybe. Come on over, baby. Ooh. Yeah. Maybe all I got this house, these kids, and your love. Lord knows I don't ever want to give it up. Don't you worry about the fuck up I did. All I care about is you and this kids. I won't let it happen again. So I'm making some carne picada nachos, y'all. Carne picada nachos. Yeah, y'all know what's going down for real. It's going down for real. Oh, George, you're so funny. You're really a great guy. Well, thank you there, bud. You're mighty fine yourself. I'm Turtle Man. Woohoo! Yee! Look at that boy, look at that old machine right there, boy. I got I come like a damn old man, all red blue man, we the only ones I know when the fuck up the other. Woo! You know what I'm about? Shit. Oh. I had mighty fun of you, boy. Free mustache rides. Yes, free mustachio. Dang, y'all see that big ass pterodactyl or fly? Shit. Oh, wow. Man, that's a lot of follows. Thank y'all. Psych. I ain't got no fucking followers. Hell, I can barely follow the fucking path myself. Shit. You know what I'm talking about? I was just a normal guy. My life was just 9 to 5, bills and pressure piled up to the sky. She never asked, she knew I'd been hanging with my wilder friends, looking for some other way to fly. 3 days straight was no big feat, get by on no food or sleep. Crazy, what becoming my new norm. I'd pass out on the bedroom floor, sleep right through the calm before the storm. Life is just no routine, every day the same damn thing. Hell, I can't even tell if I'm alive. But I tell you, The high cost of living ain't nothing like the cost of living high. That Southern Baptist parking lot is where I go to smoke my pipe. I'd sit there in my pickup truck and pray, staring at that giant cross. Just reminded me that I was lost, and it just never really seemed to point the way. But as soon as Jesus turned his back, I'd find my way across the tracks, looking just to score another deal. With my back against that damn 8-ball, I didn't have to think or talk or feel. Life is just no routine, and every day the same damn thing. Hell, I can't even tell if I'm alive. But I tell you, high cost of living ain't nothing like the cost of living high. And my whole life went through my head. I was laying in that motel bed, I'm watching as the cops kicked in the door. See, I had a job and a piece of land. My sweet wife, she was my best friend, but I traded all of that for cocaine and a whore. My newfound sobriety, I haven't got time to sit and think of all those things I've had and threw away. This prison is much colder than that one that I was locked up in just yesterday. No, for real, y'all battling with addiction, y'all need to check that shit out. You mean that shit bad for you, boy? Drunks, all that shit. Put it down, boy. Put that drink down. Pick up a Bible, boy. Alright, till next time, y'all. Peace up, A-Town. Just kidding, we down here in Texas, y'all. Come on down here. Give us a holler. You hear?